The project schedule management knowledge area is about planning and controlling the schedule. One key responsibility of the project manager is to prepare a timeline of when work will be performed on the project and at what times various deliverables will be created. Once the schedule is agreed upon, then the project will be tracked against that timeline to say if the project is on time or late. So the schedule is managed to meet the time-related needs of the project. There are 7 processes in this knowledge area. I will use that as a guideline to explain how the schedule is to be managed. The first thing a project manager will do is write the schedule management plan, which describes how the schedule will be created, approved, managed, and controlled. With the plan in place, the project will take the work breakdown structure as the starting point and create a list of all the work to be done in the form of activities. Then, based on what will be done first and what will be worked on later, a network diagram will be created. Next, durations will be estimated for all the activities on the network diagram. At this point, there is a schedule in place, or so it seems, but it needs to be analyzed to make it realistic, make it doable, analyzed and fine-tuned to ensure resources are well engaged, schedule-related risks have been accounted for, and the external deadlines, if there are any, have also been considered, and the schedule has been aligned to those. Once the project manager feels comfortable with the schedule and the sponsor or other approving authority agrees, it will be baselined. From this point onwards, as work progresses on the project, it will be tracked on the schedule and compared with the baseline. That comparison will establish how the project is progressing, on track or off track. Now, if off track, then change requests can be put in to modify the baseline and bring the schedule back on track. This will go on for the rest of the project. This is project schedule management in a nutshell.